Marhaba wa ahla wa sahla fikum. Welcome to part 8 of Arabic idioms. This is Ibrahim with you. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Our first idiom is انفرطت المصباح. انفرطت المصباح. انفرطت المصباح, which means the prayer's beads broke. And in English we say the fat is in the fire, meaning what is done, might be too late to rectify or change what's happened. كل حلة فيها علة. كل حلة فيها علة. And it means every garment has a fold. And in English it means nothing is perfect. كل حلة فيها علة. And it means every garment has a fold. And the idiom in English we have nothing is perfect. Our third and final, سمحنا إله فات وفوت حماره. سمحنا إله فات وفوت حماره. Meaning, we let him into the house and he brought his donkey too. What could you say? And in English we say, give him an inch and he'll take an L. And the idea how we use it these days, for example, let's say we brought him to the house, we allowed him to come to the house and started to put rules and regulation on what we should do and what we shouldn't do. And we've got lots of examples around the world. Thank you all very much for watching this episode. Hope you enjoyed yourselves. Hope you managing to memorize these idioms. Till next time, stay safe, and I look forward to see you in our next episode. Ma salama.